It is 5:16, and I really hope you had a chance to get out and enjoy yesterday. It was such a magnificent November day. We have quiet conditions out there this morning, and temperatures are still relatively mild. We're in the upper 40s to low 50s in most locations. Winds, though, still coming in out of the south and parts of West Michigan, but you can see that shift in winds happening out over Lake Michigan. That says a cold front is getting set to march right through the region over the next several hours. So what does that mean for us? Well, we had a high of 75 degrees yesterday. That was certainly a new record high, 25 degrees warmer than the average of 50 degrees in both Grand Rapids and in Kalamazoo. How rare was this? Well, yesterday's high temperature, not only 25 degrees warmer than average, it was the latest date that we have ever had a high temperature of at least 75 degrees or warmer. So we had never been that warm this late in the season. And to just give you some comparison of how fluctuating this time of the year can be, in 2018 we had almost 4 inches of snow on November 10th, which was a record on that part of the weather scale. Overall, we're looking at a mild morning, though, with falling temperatures this afternoon. Readings will go from the 50s into the 40s. Lake effect rain and snow showers coming up for Saturday. Snow showers are likely on Sunday, and then a sharply colder weekend will be followed by a sharply colder week ahead with occasional snow chances. So we have really pivoted now in terms of settling back into temperatures not just at, but certainly much below average, with those highs in the 30s, and for the most part, those lows dropping down into the 20s. Snowfall forecast this weekend. Computer models are generally keeping inland areas with trace amounts to maybe a ½ inch. But notice along the lakeshore, models are consistent of picking up the first measurable snow of the season. European model, a little less than 2 inches, and all the way up to almost 4 inches. So we are looking at those areas along and west of US 131 to pick up the first accumulating snow of the season, certainly accumulation on those grassy surfaces. And all that because of this cold front, which is going to be pressing eastward very quickly over the next several hours, and it opens the door for those temperatures to drop off. The moisture, though, shifting off to the east along and in advance of that cold front up and down the east coast. That is the leftover moisture from what was Tropical Storm Nicole yesterday. You can see here the futurecast shows that northwesterly wind in the upper atmosphere and those persistent bands of lake effect rain and snow showers tomorrow. More snow showers for Sunday. Looks like we could get a wave of moisture coming in by the middle of next week, Tuesday into Wednesday. We're watching that carefully. A storm system may bring us more widespread snow. And overall, look at this pattern. 30s for highs, 20s for lows, so temperatures colder than average. And I just have to let you know, this is going to stick around for a while. The 8 to 14 day outlook takes us through November 24th, so into Thanksgiving, with a lot of cold air through much of the continental United States. The only place really going to be warm, central and southern Florida, so maybe head south for your turkey dinner.